There is perhaps one ratio within trading that rules supreme, one ratio that is critical to your success in trading, and that is understanding the ratio of time versus price. Now, what exactly do I mean by this? Well, if you go on Twitter or any other social media that has, an area for traders, you'll see that the parabolic short is a very popular trading style right now. People love to short these overextended garbage companies, or maybe they're not even garbage companies, but they just have this overextended chart, and people love to short them. And there is a legitimate strategy there. There isn't some, that there is something to that strategy that it actually is successful. But here's the thing. So many people have seen the success within that strategy that it has brought on a lot of new traders who try to mimic those results of the more veteran traders who have been trading parabolic shorts for quite a long time. And so what exactly do I mean by this time versus price ratio? Well, this is critical for anything in trading, but especially within trading parabolic. So currently we're looking at a chart of ACAS. That's American Capital Ltd. Do I have any idea what they do? No, I have no clue what this company is, but I'm just here to look at the chart. So this week it opened up at $14. Let's see, it opened up around $14.45, and we're looking at 2-minute candlesticks, and within a matter of about 15-20 minutes this thing had gone up to $15. So given this stock, this is a large price change, but it isn't anything groundbreaking. This is, 60 cents for the stock is a lot, but it isn't totally unsustainable. But what is unsustainable is the time within that it moved up. And so here's the critical piece. So we're looking at this ratio of time versus price. So price has moved up 60 cents, but within that move, that happened within the time span of 15-20 minutes. And so what you have to look at is the psychology of the traders involved. So if you're in a stock, let's say, that typically has an average daily range of 50 cents to $1, which is the case for ACAS, and you're in this stock and you catch the entire day's range within 15 to 20 minutes, what are you going to be thinking if you're long that stock? You're going to be thinking, wow, this is probably a pretty good time to take profits, right? And so you're going to get a little bit of selling, and that is the catalyst that is going to lead to this down move. So what happens, you get a little bit of selling in here from some people that are taking profits from down here, and that selling trips some stops of some other people that are just getting in the stock. Let's say maybe they got in right here and they put a stop right below this level or whatever it may be. And so there's a little bit of that profit taking, which then sparks the catalyst of stops being hit, and that is what really pushes the stock down. So was this stock in the end oversold for this move? Very well could be. Maybe you got too much selling, but that sometimes that happens. So you get a lot of fear in the stock just because some people were taking profits in the beginning. And the reason that they wanted to take profits was because of the time in which this thing moves. So you always have to think within terms of price to time, or time to price, however you want to say it. You always have to be looking at that ratio. It's critically important. And this will help you further understand who are the people that are trading this stock, who are the people on the other end. And so that will kind of let you tap into their psychology and see what they're thinking. So let's move on to another chart and make a comparison. So this is AEM. So again, this is last week on the same day. The stock moved from $29 to $30.30. That's actually slightly out of the average range for the stock. That is a decent move for the stock. But there is a critical factor here. Look at the time in which this thing moved. This thing started its move, let's say, roughly around here at 8:45. And it stopped its move at 11 o'clock. Wow, that's a long move. That's 2.5 hours. That is a very, very, very long move. And so you didn't see the same reaction, but a lot of traders would look at this stock and think, wow, this stock is up a lot. I should probably take a short, right? Because that's what parabolic shorts are about. It's about shorting something that's overextended. And that is where a lot of traders get it wrong. Because you have to understand, again, the psychology of the people that are in this stock. This is the thing, it's just slowly floating up. They have absolutely no reason to sell. And so you need that selling to be the catalyst that's going to lead to a deeper pullback. You want a strong pullback. You want stops to get hit. You want there to be emotions and fear in the market for you to get that parabolic short. And so when something takes this long to trickle up, it shouldn't even be on your watch as a short. Absolutely not. So that is why it's critical that you guys are always examining this time to price ratio, and especially if you're in the world of shorting parabolics. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope I shed some light on this topic. This is something that I use each and every single day within my trading, is looking at the time to price ratio. And also, this highlights a bigger message, and this highlights the idea of really trying to understand the psychology of the other people that are in the market, because if you can do that, that will give you a much better edge within trading, because you need to understand what are the other people on the other end thinking, and why are they taking this trade, and when are they going to want to get out. And if you can understand those points, it will help you within your own trading. So as always, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, or you can shoot me an email. I'll put my email in the description down below. Please subscribe, like, favorite, do what you need to do. Share this video with anyone who might like it, and I want you guys to stay awesome and take good care. Peace.